Hi, my name is Emmanuel. Welcome to the Finance Bulletin show. And today I'm here to give a brief review of the UK budget 2021 and what it means to businesses. But just before that, it's important to know that the Chancellor used the spring budget to outline his three-part plan, I call it, towards economic recovery, with the main aim being supporting businesses to build resilience and sustainability through the coronavirus pandemic, and also really to invest in the future of the economy. So let's get right into it. What you need to know. I will first of all give it three key points that I think small businesses really need to know out of the budget review. The first thing that needs to be made clear is that there is a new registered grant to support businesses in the UK as they come out of the lockdown and really reopen for customers. I think it's very important to note that businesses could get up to £18,000 there. The next thing is that corporation tax will increase. I know this is not good news for businesses with profits and net profit over £250,000, but the aim here is that yes, corporation tax would increase, but with most important protection for small businesses. So businesses with profit below £250,000, I think they will remain on a 19%, but I'll give more detail on that. And also another good news that came out from the review is that the business rate holiday would continue beyond March, and I think that's very, very good incentive for businesses with very higher rateable value from that perspective. Also, VAT has been cut for hospitality and the tourism business. So now let's get very detailed into the review. The business rate holiday has been extended, as I mentioned previously. The main aim here is really to support businesses to be able to operate operationally and also to be able to keep staff at the workplace. And really, after June, the idea is that the scheme would go back to what we call the discount scheme, where businesses will get business rate discounts based on their rateable value. Registered grants to help the high street reopen. The government has made available £5 billion of grants scheme to support the high street markets and businesses to really reopen. And businesses within this category I'm talking about here are shops, saloons, gyms, and also restaurants. Again, the key debate in here was non-essential businesses and essential businesses. The government are saying that for non-essential retail businesses, they will make available up to £6,000, and also for the hospitality businesses, they will make up to £18,000. The furlough scheme has been extended until end of September, which I think is a very, very good measure by the UK government. And the Chancellor is making very, very clear that it's a short-term measure to protect jobs and livelihoods, which I think is very good for businesses. Also, for self-employed individuals, the self-employed income support also has been widened a little bit. But here, I think it's very important that businesses are aware, individuals are aware that there's the eligibility criteria for this, for the faith grant that the government wants to give to self-employed. Again, this will be based on those who have turnover below, that has fallen below 30%. They will be eligible to 80% of their average monthly profits, and then businesses who haven't really been affected significantly would get 30% of their average monthly profits. Corporation tax, as I mentioned previously, is increasing, but it's going to increase from 2023. And what does it mean to small businesses? So small businesses, as I mentioned previously, are protected by this increase, and clearly mentioned here, it's going to move from 19% to 25%. And small businesses with profits of 50,000 or less will continue to pay the 19% rate. The rate will then be tapered again, depending on your income or profit, and only businesses with profits of more than £250,000 would pay 25% here. Again, here I would advise that individuals or businesses speak to the accountants for clarity on how to be able to to stay within that threshold. And a very good initiative that came out from the Chancellor is what we call the management training, which I think is a brilliant thing. I must say, it's really to boost productivity for business leaders, for business managers, and the whole idea is to empower you and skill you to be able to really stay on top of your products and services that customers want. What are the conditions that comes with this? The condition is clearly, obviously, to provide and skillment for leaders of businesses, and also the UK businesses can access a 12-week online management program from June. Specifically, want to mention from June, and there are only 30,000 places available over 3 years. So businesses that really want this, managers who really want this, I encourage you to quickly plan towards that. The government covers most of the cost, but again, there is UK government doesn't give anything for free. You will pay a slight charge there, £750, and again, for the benefit of it, I think it's a very good initiative. You also need to qualify for this. You need to have between 5 to 249 employees, and also have operated for more than a year. Thanks for listening to part one of the budget review. In part two, I'll be concentrating on personal allowance and the new mortgage scheme that is available for individuals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.